Good morning and welcome back. Today we're replacing the drive belt on a Honda 216 series lawnmower. Now, with every other Honda, replacing the drive belt is a little bit more complicated than just about every other mower made. So let's get started while it's not hot.
Ready to go.
Okay. So the first thing I did was put it on a jack stand and get the back end up in the air because everything's kind of hard to get to on this one. Good part is you don't have to reach underneath to get to the belt. You have to go through this. So that means getting this out of the way. Now I've got the first one out. I used a 10-inch extension and it runs all the way against this. You're going to want a light like this or some way to see up underneath it because it's all the way against the base of this. Now let's go to the top and get the second one. Next bolt we're going to go after is down here. Can you see that? It's down here. I know none of these are easy to get to, and they're even worse to put back on later. Okay, now that we've got the plate off, we can see the belt pretty easily. So let's go ahead and let me scoot around here. Okay, since we know we have to replace the belt no matter what, we're going to go ahead and cut the belt now. And that takes all the tension off of the spring, and you can take it off easily. Putting it back on is going to be a little bit more work, but getting it off is not that bad. Okay, we're going to slip the new belt over the blade and push it through the hole. Okay, now that we have the belt fed through the hole, we're going to get it laying in like this. And then we're going to take our spring and get it hooked back on without touching the belt. We're going to do the belt last. Because with the belt sitting like that, the spring is only difficult. You'll quickly discover that it's next to impossible once the belt's moved into place. There we go. And now we have our spring in place. So now the fun part, getting the belt to hang on. There's no good angle for you while I do this, so you have to sit off to the side for just a second. Now I'm pushing down on the spring while I rotate. See, and what we did was I used my palm to push down on this while I pulled it around. And we're done. We just have to put that plate back on and double check the belt on the other side, and then we're finished. I'll include the part number for that belt in the description. Now Honda has 100 different designs and 100 different belts, and some of them are just that much longer or shorter. So make sure you get the exact right one. If yours isn't a Harmony 2 216 HRT, then it might be the wrong belt. So all you new people out there, if you made it this far, you might as well subscribe. It's free. That's what we work for. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.